Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get started with MapKit for your SwiftUI application. So you can use this with iOS or macOS using SwiftUI. So here, as you can, I will if you want to see the WWDC session, you can visit WWDC 23, and in that they have this MapKit session which I think does a really good job of explaining each and every feature. I will try to explain as much as I can. But here let's get started. So firstly, here is our SwiftUI application, and this is the content view. And here you can see that ignore this part for now. I mean, this is our body, right? And here I have taken one map widget or SwiftUI view. And if you see at the very bottom, I have added this map controls. So this is the map user location button, map compass, and map scale view. This map compass and map scale view, I don't know, are not getting displayed over here. So the map location you can see at the top right hand side, and if I click on it, wherever the user is located, I will be redirected to that, automatically jump to that particular location. So this map user location button can be really helpful for that. The next thing which I want to show you, that here I have created some CL location coordinate. So some you can take whatever latitude, longitude you prefer, and then we will just add this particular marker, and I'll rerun my application just to show you guys what exactly a marker inside this particular map view looks like. So here you can see it. If you want to display a marker or an annotation, whatever you call it, you can use this particular thing to display that. And yeah, that's it. Next, there is this annotation as well. So here you can see in the coordinate I was passing marker, right, and this was the system image. Annotation is very similar to marker. I don't know really what the difference is, but here again we are sending the same coordinate. Anchor is bottom, and here I am passing our image, but here you can pass any SwiftUI view like text or whatever you feel like. And here you can see this is our particular annotation. I will try to use marker wherever I think marker looks better to me, but yeah, feel free to choose whatever you prefer. Then how to draw a circle around a particular coordinate. So here I have passing radius is 1000, change it to whatever you feel like. And this is our foreground style. Again, I'll rerun my application just to show you guys the output. And here you can see I was able to draw this particular circle on our particular coordinate. Then there is this map circle which has this map overlay property, overlay level property as well, and here I am passing it as dot above roads. So I'll just quickly show it to you how it exactly looks like. Again, it is very similar. So here you can see this is how it looks like. Then there is another thing for map circle which is called above labels, sorry. And here you can see rest everything is remains the same. I'll quickly run the application and show you guys the output as well. So here you can see it looks little different. It is above the labels, so we are not really seeing the all the labels which it had previously. Then the next thing is map polyline. So I'll just uncomment this, and here again polyline takes an array of coordinates. So as you can see, I have created this array of coordinates, pass whatever you feel like, and stroke color is red, line width is 13. So here you can see I was able to draw a polyline. Then if you want, you can also map it some so here I am using a polygon, sorry, and I am passing again a list of or array of coordinates, and I am setting the foreground style as well, and it will draw a polygon. So here you can see the purple polygon which I have. Then for polyline, so here this is very similar to what I have displayed above. So this one I have just changed the background color, but you can define your own stroke style as well. So here you can see I'm passing gradient and the stylish stroke. So here you can see I have defined a linear gradient passing our color, and here is our stroke style which I have defined over here. And yeah, now you can just quickly run your application and get the output which we have. So here you can see I have changed the stroke style completely. So you can play around with this, and whatever you feel is right for you, make sure you choose that. So I'll just add it over here, and I'll just comment this out. Okay, so the next thing which I want to show you is this one. Okay, I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. Okay, and I'll just uncomment this stuff. Okay, so now I will show you the different map styles which we have. So first one is the map style standard. Again, I'm just displaying a marker. These are our CL location coordinate, and here I have just imported MapKit inside our SwiftUI application. Okay, so this is how it looks like for map style standard. Then this map style standard, but elevation is realistic. Again, in elevation there are different properties which I don't want to go into, but you can again play around with this, so it looks very similar to this one. Then there is this elevation, but here map style is imagery, and elevation again is realistic. So yeah, this is how the output looks like. And the last one is hybrid. Again, I'll just comment this out and I'll rerun this application. And here you can see it looks like something like this. Okay, so this was the second one. All right, then the third one, which is pretty complicated, but I'll try to explain as much as I can because it's not really complicated. I'm trying to do too many things in this, that's why. So I'll just uncomment this and I'll just rerun my application. So firstly I'll show you guys the output so that you can have a better idea. So here is our map, right? And at the bottom I'm displaying a few buttons. If I click on the first button, so here you can see I'm displaying all these locations. Okay, so here you can see I'm displaying all the playground which are present inside our map. Second one is for beach. So here you can see I'm displaying all the beach. I'm marking it as this as the annotation for it, or marker as it. And this, the third one, is for a particular region. So this is our Boston region if you want. And fourth one is I'm just moving our camera to a particular location. So if you want, you can do something like that. And fifth one is for user location. So if I click over here, I have already granted the user location, so I'm first fetching the user location, and here you can see the user is moving, so our camera is also moving along with it. So if you want, with the help of core location, I'm doing this. So let's see how exactly I have done it. So again, same thing. Firstly I have imported MapKit and SwiftUI. These are our CL location coordinate, and here I have created this MK coordinate region as well, one for Boston and one for North Shore. Okay, this I have hard coded, but yeah, it's fine. Then our map camera position is automatic. Here I have created one visible region. This is for our search result, this is for a selected result as well. And here I have created our location manager. So for location manager I have created another file. As you can see over here, I have imported core location, and here is our observable object and CL location manager delegate. Here we are creating this, and as soon as we initialize it, we just request when in use authorization and start updating our location. And once we get the location, we just update our location variable to the location coordinate as well. Okay, so hopefully you got this point. And again, coming back to our code, so here we are initializing it. Here is our map, and we are passing the position to it as well as the selected result. Here I'm creating the annotation for our parking, and inside the Z stack I'm just creating this rounded rectangle as well as this image. Change it to however you feel like. Then we are just looping over all the search results we have, and we are drawing marker over it. And here map style is standard. Here I have just designed the safe area in set. Here I have taken one spacer, and here we have created some another SwiftUI view which I will show you shortly. And on change we just change the position, and on map camera change we change the visible region as well. And here you can see this is our another SwiftUI file which I have created. This is the search results, position as well as visible region. So whenever you click on any of the button, we call this search method. We pass whatever query you have, then we use this ml local search dot request, pass our natural language query, pass the result type to it as well, and pass the region to it as well. So here I'm just passing this parking region, but save in case the visible region is not present. And here we just create this task ml local search, get the response out of it, and just assign it to our search results. And if you see the view, first button I'm just passing playground, for second button I'm passing beach, for third button I'm just assigning this position as Boston, For fourth, I'm assigning it as camera and passing the logo CL coordinate lat long. Change it to whatever you feel like, and here we are passing the user location. So here I was tracking the actual user location. Okay, so that's it for the third. The fourth one is based on this, so I'll just copy the fourth one as well, and I'll just show it to you. So I'll just uncomment this out. Okay, and I'll rerun my application. First I'll show you guys the output, and then I can show you the actual code. So over here, like I don't remember what exactly I did. Okay, so this is for look around preview. Fourth. Okay, so this is for look around preview. So what basically I'm doing is that, suppose I click on this particular button, and if I select any of this marker, here you can see I get this look around preview, and I can click on this and I can get the actual view as well. So I can just click over. If I want to follow somewhere, I can click on this and the camera will move as well. So this is for the look around preview as well for MapKit. Okay, so hopefully you got the point, and if you want to dismiss, you can click on this X. So let's see how to do this. So first, again, a lot of thing has been copied from the previous one which I have shown you, the CL location coordinate as well as this MK coordinate region as well. Here map position, visible region. So this route I have added, this is the same as previous, so this is also same, and notation title I have kept it as hidden. Here we just loop over all the results, and here inside here I have created a V stack, and here if there is a selected result, then I'm just displaying this item info view which will display this look around view which you are seeing, and these are our buttons, right? So inside item info view we are passing our selected result as well as route and the frame, clip shape and padding as well. And on change we just set the position as automatic, and this is for our visible region. Then we get the direction as well, and mk direction dot result, we just set the source as well as the destination, and this is the task which we run. So passing our request, we calculate the directions, and inside the response we just assign it to our route. Then this is the same thing which I have shown you in my previous video. So I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like. This is same what I have shown you just now. Then this is the item info view where it takes the mk map item as well as mk route, and this mk look around scene as well. And here I have created a method, so I just firstly assign this to nil, and here I create one task. So if we have a selected result, then we just do mk look around scene request, pass our selected result to it, and here we just assign it to our look around scene. Then we have this travel time as well, so I just assign it, create a route, date components formatter. Here we assign unit style, allowed units, and here we just format it. And here you can see our look around preview. So we just pass our initial scene, overlay alignment as bottom trailing, then we just define an h tag as well. This is our text, this is the travel time, this is the font caption, and on appear we just call get look around scene, and on change we also call get look around scene. So yeah, that's it. That's all for integrating MapKit with SwiftUI. Thank you for watching. Bye.